Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam related to the site Initiateadvancedheavilythefile.vip. This is the website that tries to mislead you and to deceive you with many faulty messages. The website claims to be related to some decent security program. You probably know which program I'm talking about. But the point is that this is a fake alert. The pop-up is not related to that program. The pop-up also indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and according to my personal experience, the same message comes up in all other computers infected by these pop-ups. The reality is that there could be certain adware in the system that could generate all these scary messages. The real purpose of these fake alerts is to trick people into thinking that their computer is infected, and then to make them click on this delete viruses button. After they do that, they would be forwarded to some other questionable resource, and in many cases they may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software, and that software will be totally different from the one that is initially advertised. So be careful, all these pop-ups are faulty, they are not true, they are not related to any decent security applications. As I have said before, most likely they are the part of some adware in your system. So first thing we recommend you to do is to carefully research the control panel. If you find any suspicious programs on the list, if you don't remember installing them, get rid of them. We also recommend researching the computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the site combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.